Hey, welcome to the virtual campground to another RV tip. Today's tip is how to apply stickers to the map when you finish the state.
People
Okay?
need stickers.
First off, you have to know what state you're in. We are in Wyoming. Now that's near Yellowstone. Now the whole time we've been here, I've been calling it Yosemite. Now that would be California, which is here. We don't want to do California because we haven't done California. So we're going to do Wyoming, okay? All right, so that's how you know it's Wyoming, because it has Old Faithful on it, all right? So first step, find the state. Second step, peel it off carefully off of the map, okay? So there you have it. So that's what it should look like once you've peeled it off, okay? Now, this is our map. See that we have some states already covered because we've done this before. We're kind of experts at doing this. So now we want to find Wyoming on the map. All right, so most of you know that it's right here and it's blank because we haven't been there, because this is where it is. So now we're going to apply it. And what you want to do is you want to get it inside the border, unless you're very creative, and then you can put it any way you want. But I like to be orderly, right?
Yes.
So we're going to put it right there, and that is how you add a state to the map. Now we'll post a link down below, our blog post about what it means to add a state, or whatever we said
What are
about
the qualifications?
that. Yeah, qualifications. How do you get to earn a state? So check that blog post out, and we'll see you next time on the virtual campground.